Welcome back. Troubles are set to increase for former chief officers of the Canacona Municipality, Pradip Naik and Prashant Shirodkar. Prudent has assessed documents proving CO Pradip Naik and Prashant Shirodkar's act of facilitating the process of almost 50 illegal checks in a plot in Nagorcem, Pallolem. Even after two clear and consecutive complaints of vigilant locals, the chief officer didn't take any action against these checks. Here is a special report.
A building collapse at Canacona has exposed the municipal administration of Canacona following arrest after arrest for a month. Now Prudent has accessed documents which prove the role of former chief officer Pradip Naik in yet another illegal act while being in the chair of chief officer. The chief officer Pradip Naik has illegally allowed erection of almost 50 shacks at Nagorcem, Pallolem. Look at this complaint. The complaint says the previous chief officer Prashant Shirodkar has issued licenses for 45 temporary structures and a riverside deck in the Nagorcem village of Pallolem. The tourism department hasn't issued any such licenses for shacks in the said property, and this is the proof of the same. RTI letter to tourism department reveals that no license have been issued in the said plot till 2013-2014. The authorities did not take cognizance of the complaint. On the 18th of September 2013, they conducted a Panchanama of the same property and conclude that 51 small structures and 9 big structures are seen in the property and toilet blocks are 2 seen at the site. Following this Panchanama, the then Chief Officer Pradip Naik, in a reply to the Deputy Superintendent of Anti-Corruption Branch dated 24th of October 2013, replied that the demolition squad did not reach on the site on the prescribed date and time. Further, the shack owner Walter Fernandez informed with photos and CD of the same that the structures were demolished. The complainant had by then realized that the reply of the chief officer is a fuss and demanded a Panchanama of the area again. The second Panchanama on 7th of November 2014 revealed that 42 platforms are still standing in the property. Wooden and concrete poles, pump house near to a well are seen at the property. These documents are yet another testimony to how a remote municipality like Canacona has become breeding grounds for a large-scale corruption. The former chief officers Pradip Naik and Prashant Shirodkar are serving custody for their yet another alleged role in the Canacona building collapse. The Vigilance Department has completed its procedure and sent the file to Director of Municipal Administration. It is heard that the file has reached the Chief Minister and awaits much needed attention. Pratik Parab for Prudent.
Condition of most critically injured worker in the Ruby Residency building collapse, Mohammad Azim, is still critical. He is undergoing treatment at GMC. He is unable to have food and does not recognize or respond to anything. But ignoring his condition, GMC officials are forcing his family to take him out of the hospital. The attempt was foiled after Prudent's intervention on Saturday.
Mohammad Azim was rescued from the debris of collapsed Ruby Residency at Canacona on 4th January. He was admitted in the GMC and was in coma for almost 25 days. Now he has started opening his eyes but is unable to have his food. He neither responds to anything nor recognizes anybody. But forgetting all the sensitivity and humanity, GMC officials started pressurizing his brothers to take him out from the hospital.
डॉक्टर बोल रहा है कि इसको ले जाओ। कुछ नहीं, वो पहले आया तो एक सिस्टर जो होता है वो डॉक्टर, वो बोला कि जाके इसको ले जाओ गांव नहीं ले सकते हैं इसको तो कानकुन ले जाओ। कानकुन नहीं ले सकते हैं तो इसको नहीं लगेगा तो इसको ज़मीन पे लेटना पड़ेगा।
His brother could not take him out as they have no money to treat Azim. Mohammad Jainul says that he has heard about the announcement made by the Goa government about giving the injured victim some compensation. But till now he has not got any single penny.
सरकार की तरफ से अभी कोई पैसा नहीं मिला है, अभी कोई बात भी नहीं किया है। ऐसे बात किया है अभी जाके आज किया है कि पैसा मिलेगा गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से 10,000 मिलेगा।
Finally, GMC officials gave them ultimatum to leave GMC by 3 PM on Saturday without disclosing our identity when we asked the ward in charge that whether the patient Mohammad Azim is in condition to be discharged. Ward in charge said that he has instructions to throw the patient and his brothers out of GMC. Then we revealed our identity and asked who has issued such an order. The ward in charge started reasoning that there are shortage of bed in GMC and Mohammed Azim is occupying the bed for more than 40 days.
Due to presence of Prudent, abrupt discharge of critical patient Mohammed Azim has been put on hold as of now. But possibility of said throwout cannot be ruled out. With video journalist Dinesh Karpe, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Agricultural loan interest, if lowered, will attract more farmers towards agricultural activities. North Goa MP Sripad Naik opined this at the seminar on commercial cultivation, vegetable and flowers. The seminar aimed at youth taking up farming as business.
सरकार कोणाचे जाऊ या देशात जर आम्ही एग्रीकल्चर लोन जे आसा ते मुबलकपणे जर एग्रीकल्चर फार्मरांक जर दिले आणि इंटरेस्ट म्हणजे 8-9 नाही कदाचित ते 4 ते 2 ते 4 मध्ये इंटरेस्ट असो जाल्यार तो शेतकरी या त्याची परतफेड करू शकतो. इन आमच्या हिंदुस्थानात देशातलो मनीस पण ताका खंयतरी सरकारचे पैसे खावप ही त्याची खंयतरी मनातली भावना जे लोन घेतला ते पावप हे संस्कार या शेतकऱ्याचे आसात तो केन्नाच लोन बुडना. पण अशी जेन्ना परिस्थिती येता की हे हांव इंटरेस्ट आनी व्याज हे फेडूंकूच शकना तो कोणाक नायलाज कारण पावस पडना पीक गेले घातले सगळे गेले ह्या गोष्टीचेर म्हणजे काही जे उपाय योजना जर शेत वयर सरोंक जाय ही संस्कृती जर वाडोवंक जाय त्या गोष्टी करच्यो पडटल्यो.
फूल शेती आणि वेजिटेबल कल्टिवेशन कमर्शियल वेजिटेबल कल्टिवेशन हाजे विशीं माहिती एडवान्सीस म्हणजे जी नवीन तंत्रज्ञान आसा आणि कशी शेती फायदेशीर आणि कमर्शियल करची हाजे विशीं हे चर्चासत्र आयोजीत केल्ले कडेन आसा. आमचो मेन उद्देश आसा की हातूंतल्यान गोंयचो जो तरणाटो जो यूथ आसा तांणी शेती वेवसाया कडेन वळचें.
The seminar aimed in bringing the youth back to agriculture, involving technological advances for better cultivation. Sushant Par for Prudent.
The tryst between subcontractors and Simplex projects has taken a new turn. Simplex projects assures to clear each and every bill, but only after verifications. Simplex claimed that outstanding figure has touched 5 crores and it is certainly not 19 crores as claimed by the aggrieved parties. Subcontractors claim that SAG has cleared around 85% of payment to Simplex, but the company has diverted the money in their other projects.
और बोलते हैं कि SAG ने हमको पैसा नहीं दिया करके आपको पेमेंट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. मुझे जहाँ तक न्यूज़ मिला है कि SAG ने करीब 80 to 85% इनको रिलीज़ कर दिया है और मेरे को हार्डली 15% सिर्फ मिला है. तो पेमेंट हमारा हमको ऐसा लगता है कि हमारा पेमेंट लिया हुआ उन्होंने कहीं तो भी फंड डाइवर्ट किया है और हमको अननेसेसरी 6 महीने से ऐसे झुला रहे हैं. और अगर इस हिसाब से रहेंगे हमारा पेशेंस बहुत अभी ऊपर हो गया. हम जा नहीं सकते हो पेशेंस के हिसाब से हमें उनको कोई एक्सक्यूज़ नहीं करेंगे.
ऑल सब कॉन्ट्रैक्टर एंड ठीक है मैं एक काम करता हूँ सबका हिसाब बना देता हूँ. आई नॉट मेक द पेमेंट फर्स्ट टू वेरीफाई कि 19 करोड़ निकलता है निकलता. बोलो आप मंजूर को बोलो पूछो सबसे पूछ लो आप. कॉल ऑल द कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स कॉल ऑल द सप्लायर्स. मेरे को 19 करोड़ प्रूव कर देंगे उससे पहले मैं एक पेमेंट नहीं करता हूँ. सो दैट मेरे को बदनाम क्यों किया जा रहा है कि 19 करोड़ रुपये बाकी है मेरा. वी जस्ट टेलिंग द अकाउंट्स सो दैट वंस द फिगर इज रीच देन वी मेक द पेमेंट्स.
ओके तो 19 करोड़ नहीं है.
19 करोड़ तो नहीं. आई एम डेट श्योर फॉर अबाउट इट.
आयज त्या कंपनीन असो क्लेम केला की आमचे खंय 5 कोटी सुद्दां ना. पूण म्हजे कडेन जी एक लिस्ट आसा आनी थोडे ते वेंडरांची तेंचे कडेन जे सर्टिफाईड कॉपीज आसा बिलाची ते त्यांचेच 5 कोटीपेक्षा जास्त जाता. जवळ रेस कन्स्ट्रक्शन, युनिक अर्थ मुव्हर्स, प्रसाद एसोसिएट्स, डिप्लोमेट इलेक्ट्रिकल्स, A1 अल्युमिनियम, ACC कॉन्क्रीट, टी टेक्स्चर आणि पंकज जोशी हांची जवळ 1.5 कोटीचो फिगर आसा. आणि तांचे जवळ 6 ते 7 कोटीच्या वयर बजाज इलेक्ट्रिकल आसा. तांचोच बजाज इलेक्ट्रिकलाचे स्वताचे 3 कोटी आसा आणि तांचो चेकय बाउन्स जालो आसा.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.